Let's evaluate yun. Yeah. Remember yung isang nabunot ko, taga 5th District? Ito yata sila. She's at work, kapanganganak pa lang niya. Nakapisan lang sila sa ilalim ng hangganan. Pero paano ka nagkakasyal pito? Ganun po talaga eh. Bakit mo siya nabunot? Nabunot lang yun. At nung nabunot yun, di ba nakalive tayo? Nung nabunot yun, hindi niya napanood. Ang nakapanood, kapitbahay niya. Oh, sinabihan siya, uy, nabunot yung application mo sa housing. Yorme. Hindi siya makapaniwala. Tingnan mo, i-reviewin mo. Natawag yung pangalan mo. Yun yata yung nakakuha ng model unit. Siya nakakuha ng model unit. Very compelling yung kanyang story. Gusto mo nang lumarap sa palarong pambansa?
Hindi po ako boss.
Created to. So, ang gawin ninyo mag-submit kayo ng initial na pangalan, pero tarangin nyo muna sila. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, approve na sila. They are going to pass through the same process like the ordinary one. Kailangan, wala na tayong hadap, no, sa Lazaro. Kailan ba turnover?
Itong August po matapos.
Ayun. Mag-turnover sa atin, bubuka ng application. So, anong gawin ninyo pag malasakitan nyo na yung mga tao ninyo? Kasi hanap kayo yung qualified. Well, by space parang qualified. Pero tingnan natin, baka naman may sariling bahay. Pamilya. So tuloy yung investigation, preparation for San Lazaro. Saka, totoo ba, nakita ko doon yung iba parang mga konsyal.
Staff ng konsehan, may makasala ni grade 22. Hindi lang nakalala.
Inabuso rin ng mga konsyal. Wala lang ako saglit parang yung mga daga. Yabang. Nakakatuwa naman marami na lang nahihirapan na mga kababayan natin. Now, let's go now to our agenda, item number 2. As you all know, I'm a believer of NBN, and I think you know it by this time. And from time to time, we will focus on delivering these type of services: housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. And today, as you have heard with the report of the business permit, the Bureau of Business Permit, in less than a month, we have approved 1,500 businesses. That's good for the people of Manila with regard to instant job. Na maaari nilang. And that goes with our idea. Now, of course, naturally, if there is business, there's jobs, there is peace and order. Kapag ang tao na kapag-aano buhay, hindi kaya ng kumita sa sarili niya, kahit pa paano, hindi yan para mag-permission ng kapwa niya. So, tingnan natin ulit, Levy, your challenge is to break your first month record.
It's a good guidance. It should be everybody's guidance.
At least you have a North Star. The problem with governance, kapag walang North Star or walang giya, walang ginagabayan o magagabayan, eh, ano yan, walang mararating yung barko. So, that's the challenge to you and your team in the business permit, and that goes also to our director in urban planning, si Mark.
May sakit po sir.
May sakit. Ikaw lang yung representative niya. Oo. So, napakaking bagay kapag nag-uusap-usap kayo at in-synchrony focus on one direction. So, we must continue. And I think, from what I have heard, I was informed by Engineer Andres, mukhang mapapaaga yung redevelopment ng San Lazaro, SM San Lazaro and SM Manila, which is good. Malaking bagay yun. That will provide temporary jobs and permanent jobs and income for the city, and development of facilities that are available in BGC now will be available in Manila. Those restaurants, entertainment hubs, napakaganda nung when it was presented to me. Now, having said that, I would like to get an update to the three-man body investigating the non-qualifier of our housing, because as we know that there were abuses done by the past na parang bang ipinamigay na lang yung pabahay, yung susi. Alam niyo ang story, no? June 26, what they did is ito yung susi ng mga condominium, inilagay sa lamesa at sinabi, iwan na kayo dyan. O, yun ang raffle. That's what they did. Alam mo, ako taxpayer, ipapako ko sa kusla. Bakit? Eh, pero ng taong bayan nyo, parang ipinamimigay mong candy. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina sa flag ceremony. I don't mind if the awardee is qualified. Good for her or him and his family. Pero saan ka naman nakakita? Single, supposedly it's for your family or a family. Single awardee. Wala naman gano'n. So I would like to get an update with regard to ano yan, Attorney Lutz, Muso, Yusek Mark, and tama. Attorney Lutz, Yusek Mark, sorry, saka ikaw. Ano nang update na kailan na kayo na inimbestigahan?
So far, Mayor, we already had subpoena to 57 that appeared during our interview last Friday. Out of the 57, so far we could only recommend for approval 7, which means 50 will be recommended for disqualification. In fact,
Unqualified.
In fact, 15 has already surrendered their keys.
Because gusto ko lang malaman nyo kasi baka iba stock ninyo. They're going to be prosecuted. You inform your friends. Baka kaibigan nyo din yung nasa kabilang iyo. We will prosecute them because I'm going to protect the taxpayers' money. Because it costs us billions. Gusto ko lang malaman nyo, billion na pera ng taong bayan ang inilalagay dyan para itaas natin yung angkas ng pamumuhay ng pamilyang Manileño. Ulitin ko, pamilya. Ang pamilya itinuro sa atin sa elementarya ay binubuo ng ina, ama, at anak. That is basic. Hindi single person. Hindi siya slaughterhouse, ha? Alam ng mga lalaki yung sabihin. Hindi, kasi nangyayari, yung mga lawyer dito, dating nakaupo rito mga congressman, nilagay nila yung mga bata nila. Ewan ko, jowa pa nila yan. Whatever. Because I have an obligation to protect the interest of the public. Sa bawat isang mababawi natin because they are unqualified, isang tunay na pamilyang Manileño ang maiaangat natin. So, out of 57 initial, 50 kagad ang
Years disqualified. Salary grade 22, 23. Yung mga iba connected sa abuso. The office, conflict of interest.
ang mga lawyer.
Yes. Prosecutor. Pareho na.
Ito, hindi, just for the record, we wanted to put it back.
Nangyari ko kasi.
Ngayon, meron na. Yeah, meron na.
Nangyari ko kasi sa sobrang dami ng interview mo namin during that schedule back Friday, hinati ko namin sa tatlo. May sariling interview si Jose Mark, si Atty. George, at saka ako. Ang common sa akin na na-encounter, yung mga na-interview ko, nabigyan ng certificate of award, nabigyan yung susi ng unit sa kanila, pero wala silang application form. Never sila
Yun na
nagpapay.
yun, nagkadakmaan nila.
Sa records nila. Kasi ang hinihingi ho natin, no, yung may date and time stamp na nireceive ng buso yung application nila. So sabi ko, as far as your very old records are concerned, kako wala ako dito sa file namin. Kung meron kang hawak, show us proof na nagpa-receive ka. So far, boss, today may mag-turnover sa akin ng unit case tatlo. At may, kasi isa ako na-encounter na disqualified at the outset. Hindi ka resident ng Manila. Eh, nag-apply ka. You are from Cainta, Rizal. Nakita mo ba yung mga requirements ng ordinansa? Must be a resident of Manila. Kaya Cainta ka. Dito rin nagtatrabaho sa city. Kailangan mo.
So, how many more to be investigated?
Around 400 plus pamilya.
Grabe. Ngayon, payuhan nyo na yung kaibigan ninyo, kung kaibigan nyo man sila. I-surrender na nila bago sila mag-prosecute. Just surrender and give it to somebody who deserves it. The housing is for the less fortunate, not for the fortunate one. Okay? May mga empleyado tayo qualified. Good. I'm happy for them. Pero yung abusuhin natin na yung mga malalapit sa kusina, o yun ang nauna,